Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable pull down to refresh Samsung Internet web page. So if you're using Samsung Internet and now you want to refresh the page automatically, you can just pull down the page just like this to refresh it. So here, I am going to show you how you can easily enable this feature in the Samsung Internet. So if you're not of this, you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to enable pull down to refresh Samsung Internet, all you need to do is go ahead and put the Samsung Internet. Click on the menu button at the bottom right, select Settings, scroll down the page to locate Web Page View and Scrolling, then enable pull down to refresh web pages. Now hit the back button. Now when next you want to refresh web page on your Samsung Internet, all you just need to do is pull down, then you should see the Samsung Internet refreshed. You see that? So that is basically how to enable pull down to refresh Samsung Internet. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.